Hey guys, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fake your location on iPhone without a computer. So if you guys are wondering how to fake your specific location without necessarily using a computer on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys one of the basic ways to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So one of those methods to actually fake your location on the iPhone application or on the iPhone device is to go ahead and use a VPN. And one of the best VPNs that I recommend is to use Turbo VPN, because this is a free VPN to use, no subscriptions required, and unlimited, well, VPN limits. So go ahead and just search for Turbo VPN, download the application, make sure you have the latest version, and once you're done, launch it, and it's going to be pretty easy, guys. Just 1, 2, 3, go ahead and just skip these ads, because of course, since it is a free application, it is going to go ahead and run on ads to be paid. So go ahead and just tap on this X button to, well, remove the subscription, tap on this caret to be connected, again, tap on the X icon to remove it, and you are now going to be connected slowly. And now, as you would notice, you are now located onto a specific location that you guys could also choose if you prefer to. But essentially, once these ads are done, you can now proceed with using the VPN, choosing a specific location, and that is all for this video. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.